Yeah, hello. I finally did a video and I've even regressed, which is kind of pretty insane, right? Copying the giants, the fruit giant. Okay, I'm listening to my guy brag about his players on eFootball. Okay, okay, so now, um, before I did this, and the animation was animating crazy. But yeah, that wasn't scalable at the end of the day, right? Like, just to expand it to just a normal fight, just like, sorry, a normal slash, just normal. That was in the hopes of a combo, right? So all those things were like in a combo. So I wanted to, what? Not just random combo that I'm doing, right? Going to do it patterned combo. I've dropped a pattern, then it looks at the pattern. Yeah, okay, yeah, this they are the same, right? Hurrah. It says, yeah, okay, now combo ready. Then maybe wait for the current animation to finish before it starts or something like that, right? But no, you couldn't do that. I couldn't make dodge. So now I wanted to make it event based, right? Event based, but that there'll be a lot of communications. This one tells what to do, but I forgot that I hate clusters. Like, look at this right now. This is disgusting me. God, I hate this kind of, I hate it. I don't know. Like, I hate clusters. I hate when things are joined together, joined together. I would prefer if there was a better way to represent this, right? Maybe using substates. Then inside the substates there'll be spaghetti, but less spaghetti, right? Than this abomination. Anywho, I got confused and it was looking so grim, and I was like, oh my god, how should I fix this? How should I fix it? Yeah, at the end of the day, I had to change the whole system. Instead of it looping between animations, this was my solution, right? Which came just some hours ago, right? Instead of it's looping through, go to this animation doesn't, I don't even know why I wanted that in the first place. I can imagine the clusters. Clusters. So it's going through the animations already. No, I would create a subspace machine, name it Combo La Boom Boom. Sorry, La Boo Boo, right? And you know, for a combo, it will enter this. Oh wow. Um. Okay, why are you not going there? Okay, I think maybe it's because of this. So enter there. Come to his nonsense, then go up back to the upper layer, right? Yeah, that was the plan, and with that, cleared up a lot of air, right? Then AI taught me something new, which I'm going to ponder for a while. Not really ponder for a while, but I'm going to try using it, right? To learn it is a priority state machine. I mean, it kind of makes sense if you think about it, right? Just it's something like this. But most of my stage machines before that I created, they use the basic in the info around them and inputs. So inputs overrides some information that overrides inputs, right? Like four, you can't move forward, it locks input. It's pretty much that. But this one, input override inputs. I don't know, for some reason it came hard. I guess I don't know. It was just hard to picture it. I guess you know, the mental picture was just not clicking. I don't know, this priority stuff did it right. So it's basically set a priority, then you the only entry point into this whole state machine is through the request state. Pretty simple, right? So the state machine is just based on priority and some rules around that. So requested priority equals to get priority requested state, right? That is the priority of the state you want, right? Then there's get priority, returns an integer, collect the player state, right? So it gets the requested state, which is going to be called maybe state player state dot idle move combo, whatever, right? So it gets that. Then this is a rule set around it, right? If requested priority is greater than or equals to 4, right? That is dodge or knockback between these two, right? See, 5, 4, 5, right? It can interrupt any other one because I would want my players to be able to dodge. It's going to be very movement heavy. I guess I hope that doesn't make me shit my pants, sorry. Alright, it's going to be very movement heavy. So dodge, according to me and my intern game designer friend, who is in charge of not stressing my life, making me think about it and play a lot of games because he has played way more games than me, so he should have more ideas, right? So we're going to dodge a lot, and yeah, the knockback, obviously, if they hit you, no matter what you're doing, you gotta bow down to that hit. It's basically my only way of controlling the player, right? So it has to be confirmed. It has to be the highest authority. Now, speaking of authority, slash, this is a mistake. Combo is supposed to be this. Well, anyhow, I found out. Then slash, then movement. Yeah, movement will be the last because the game is called hack and slash, not parkour, which makes sense. Now, then there's a queue, right? Only combo can be queued. Sure. So if requested state is player state dot combo. Now, how to even say player state dot combo is something I've not figured out, but I'll still figure it out, right? So if the requested state is player state dot combo, then if it doesn't have, you know, queue states, I don't know what that is to be honest. But if it doesn't have queue state, now it has queue state equals to player state combo, right? Had Q equals to return true. Now this is particularly concerning because if I do a double combo in a short time, since as queued, it will just return false, right? That you know what, you can't do shit with this. There's already something here. And while I wouldn't want a combo to be that easy, I think I should instead create a mechanism that can be understood by player. Make looking more forgiving, seemingly, but kind of harsh because you need stamina, right? So instead of just no, you can only store one combo. Is that no, your stamina ain't enough, man. Deal with it. I think that makes more sense. Yeah, then process queued states. Yeah, if now this is where my ignorance of this code can be exposed. Let's see if we can still add another queue. If not, if has queued state, okay. If it doesn't have queue state, return. I mean, right? Like if there's no key state return, sure, which is true. Yeah, okay. Um, if animator dot is nearly finished, current state equals to queued state, has queue state equals to false. Beautiful. So yeah, it's like you're saying, okay, now once that is done, normally for all animations they go to idle on exit time, right? It's basically what I tell them to. Yeah, you know what? Go to no, get your ass to idle, right? Which is pretty insane, right? But now, no, it's not like that. Instead, saying, yeah, you know what? Before you go to idle, I mean, even if you go to idle, just play, you know, the queued state, which is combo, right? So yeah, it goes into the combo substate, goes around the substate, how I'm going to make it, and comes out clean clear, right? That's beautiful. Now, this is to force the state into becoming idle, right? I think I should make current state get set, but I'm looking at it as inspector. Oh yeah, yeah, it's actually read only from outside the state. When I call, no, I can't even call this current state because serialize. I think that's something me I did cause of. Yeah, I love it that way. That's cute. Look at me claiming credits for my own code. Ooh, so sad. Okay, yeah, whatever. Past here on become idle. Now this get priority. I just set a priority. Right. Public blue is state, player state, correct it. Hey, yeah, I should do it like this. Oh, Kevin De Bruyne. Yeah, beautiful. Let me fix this one too. I should have just done something. Now I've typed it, it's still typed. Didn't want to click before, but I still typed. Now why does combo have four references? Um, okay, yeah, because of the queue. Makes sense. Now this is where I'm lost. It states help us public blue it states right player states return current state is equals to state. I think I understand right. You check the current state. Basically a query. In case maybe I want to debug.log. So meaning I can make this just private and not serialized. I'm leaving it at serialized field. What's rubbish? I don't need this method, but I'm going to leave it because why not? Get cute state, you get the cute state, right? Fair. So this basically gets the queued state. You want to query it. But this is actually useless, so I'm removing it. Because the queue state is always combo, right? So what is that for? Now public blue has queue state equals to has queue state. Now why I don't like my property being away from the field, from the backing field so far, right? I think I would move it later. I'm very lazy right now. Hmm. Now, this is to be called by other scripts. I'm going to remove them soon because they're going to be very useless. Before, um, it wasn't a bool, it was a void, right? But now I've made it a bool. So you question it, is the request state possible, right? To return true if it's not possible, if it's possible. Especially for combo, it adds an extra something that it should queue before it returns true. If not, it will return false, right? But so you ask it if else, right? Then it runs the method while still returning a boolean. Better utility than just this. You run the method and you really don't have a way to get it right. Shit. So I also remove them, but my code I can leave them if I want. So yeah. So now that's happened, right? So let's look at the results. Now I don't have a dodge animation. Alright. So the upper, let's go to the state machine. Let me make this bigger. And Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, Kevin De Bruyne. I have to make it small again. Oh, already. Let's see. Okay, now it's idle, right? Now let's dodge. Whew. Dodge. What do I do? Beautiful. Mm-hmm. So knockback, I made it slower, a slower dodge, right? So can you dodge when there's knockback? No, you can't. It tells you nah nah nah, not can do. You can do stuff. Right? Okay. So dodge, knockback. Eh, 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 I think I saw a book. Right, here, right. Let me see. I do. Yeah, that's what I do. So I think I'm thinking things. I thought it's at some point, you know. Okay, beautiful, wonderful, wonderful. So that's all right. So I think I should add if a fight animation. I say fight animation. A slash animation. I already have two, which is it's pretty boring. And I should also start getting ready to. It's let me see. Okay, yeah, this is still there, right? I should make it relative to the camera, make the camera rotate to use a machine. For real, I've never used that shit in my life, and I really don't want to care about it. But since the tool is there, why not use it? Especially because I will just, but that's the thing, I will just prompt a script and use, right? So it's legit has been feeling very useless to me. Ooh, why do you fall down, mi amigo? Anywho, bye everyone.